Do your poached eggs fall apart, look messy, and turn into a complete disaster in the water? The whites spread everywhere, the shape looks uneven, and they never look as good as restaurant-style poached eggs. But don't worry. Today I'll show you a few simple tricks that will make your poached eggs neat, soft, and much more appetizing. These methods are easy, beginner-friendly, and actually work. Tip number 1. First, prepare 3 small bowls. Place 1 piece of plastic wrap into each bowl. Then use a silicone brush to lightly grease each piece of plastic wrap with oil. Now gently crack 1 egg into each bowl, making sure not to break the yolk. Carefully bring the edges together to make small pouches and tie them securely. Once your egg pouches are ready, trim off the extra plastic wrap on top. Next, take a pan or a pot. Place 3 forks inside. Then carefully place a plate on top of them. Add some water to the pan, not onto the plate. Now place the egg pouches onto the plate, one by one. Cover with a lid and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. And just like that, your poached eggs are ready. Carefully transfer them onto a plate. And gently remove the plastic wrap. Which country are you watching from? Please let me know in the comments. I'd really love to know. Look at these, perfectly shaped, soft, and incredibly appetizing. They almost look like little dumplings. Let's cut one open. Just look at that yolk, rich, smooth, and absolutely delicious. Tip number 2. Take a bowl and add some warm water. Now add a pinch of salt and mix it very well. Next, take 2 small cups or bowls and pour some of the salted water into each one, just like I show in the video. Now gently crack 1 egg into each cup, making sure not to break the yolk. Next, take a pan or a pot and add some water, just like in the video. Carefully place the cups into the pan, one by one. Cover with a lid and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Once the poached eggs are ready, open the lid and let them cool slightly. Now take a silicone spatula and gently go around the edges to release the eggs from the cups. Carefully transfer them onto a plate. And just look at these poached eggs, perfect shape, soft texture, and absolutely beautiful. Let's cut one open. Look at that yolk. It's creamy, smooth, not too runny, and not too firm, just perfect. Which method did you like more? The first one or the second one? Tell me in the comments. I'd really love to know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking tips.